Earn $3,000 with copy and paste absolutely free. Passive income on an autopilot mode through your home sounds cool, right? Well, it is possible to earn online with no skills or experience and have it as a steady source of passive income. So stay with us to find out this secret of making money online on the autopilot mode. Give the video a thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe as well as before we dive into the details. In this video, we are going to share a life-changing method to make a huge amount of money. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop, so go grab yours. To make it all easy and concise for you, we have divided the process into a few steps. Just make sure to watch the complete video and follow these steps along. We just got to combine this particular tool with Google to earn money even without owning a website. So come on over to this website called Mangles.com as step number 1 of the tutorial. Mangles is basically a tool that improves the search engine optimization. SEO determines where will your website be ranked on Google? How easily can people discover it and other related stuff? We know you do not have a website. Do not worry. You do not need any SEO knowledge, nothing else. Just follow us. You also do not need to invest any money to get started with the process. For step number 2, go to the top right corner and click on the free 10-day trial button. Just go to this page. This is where you'll enter all your details such as your username, password, etc., and register an account. Once you log in, this is how it will look like. In step 3, we need you to open Google.com. Now go back to Mangles and come over to the left side. Here is the affiliate program section. If you refer to one person, you are going to get 30%. You can see that this plan is the most popular that charges $39 a month. This means you are earning a big chunk of this amount per month per person you refer. This makes a huge sum per year, and this is all passive income. Just refer it to people, sit back, and your account will automatically keep getting fuller. We will show you how to get the most referrals and generate high income. For that, you need to do one thing. Stay with us till the end. Go over to the promo material, and there will be your affiliate links. The top link is the main affiliate money that generates your income. People click over this link and they are taken to the Mangles website, where they sign up for the account and you will earn money depending on their plan. Copy the main link by clicking on copy. Next, you need to go over to a website called thebitly.com. Bitly operates by shortening long links. You need to paste the affiliate link right here in the box to shorten it. The link will be shortened and be more attractive to click on. Copy the new shortened link. This was the step number 4. Let's get to step number 5. That is to go back to Google while we question ourselves. Who are those having enough to invest in Mangles or a SEO tool and benefit from it? Certainly businesses. There is 1 billion of them. Yes, 1 billion. What you need to target is only 100. If only 100 sign up on the website using your link, you can earn so much money. So go to Google and search for any business. It could be a florist, a jeweler, a painter, anything. Search this business with any location. For example, we are going to search from Newberry. As Newberry, South Carolina jeweler. A list of jewelers appear down below. For step number 6, you got to scroll down below, skipping the ads and the top 3 to 5 websites, because they already got a good SEO and do not need us. Open these websites here and you can find their contact information. Look for the email address and now it's time for you to convince. Write a message convincing the business owner why they need SEO and how it will lift their business with their link added to that message. You can also wait for the reply and send your link later. If they sign up, you are going to get a big percentage of their payment plan. You only need to contact businesses once. Once they sign up, you will be making money as they keep paying for the plan. The longer and expensive the plan, the more you earn. This is how you can keep earning passively for months and even years. Invest some time for once and enjoy with the bank balance later on. And that is all for today. Did you find this video interesting? Let us know your feedback and opinions in the comments. We hope you have a good time. Before you leave, do drop a like, subscribe, and share for us. Thank you for staying till the end. See you next time with another amazing video.